ECOVACS DEEBOT X2 Omni. X2 Omni is a robot that's capable of vacuuming and mopping, which also includes a charging and maintenance base. It stands out for its shape, as instead of being round, it's more square, supposedly better for cleaning corners and moving between furniture. For navigation, it uses a combination of laser sensors and cameras, and it also has a LiDAR system that allows it to map rooms. This robot is the most powerful on the market, with an incredible suction of 8,000 pascals, which, coupled with its rotating roller, allows it to pick up a large amount of dirt just through vacuuming. For mopping, it has a system of 2 rotating mops, which can also be raised up to 1.5 centimeters to avoid carpets. From the charging base, the X2 Omni can empty its dustbin, refill the water tank for mopping, and also clean the mops with hot water, something that no other robot on the list can do and is much more hygienic. From the app, we can schedule cleanings, choose areas where we don't want the robot to clean, and adjust all kinds of parameters and smart functions, which we can also activate through voice commands. This robot is also capable of automatically adjusting its cleaning method through artificial intelligence, and it can serve as a mobile security camera. Its battery has a capacity of 6,400 mAh, allowing it to vacuum for over 3 hours, which is enough time to cover quite large surfaces before it needs to recharge. In conclusion, DEEBOT X2 Omni by ECOVACS is a robot vacuum that stands out for its unique square shape, making it narrower and lower, allowing it to maneuver more easily between furniture. It is also very comprehensive in terms of features, including some